a little bit dry. Get the rotor.
All right, so this is the drying of the bike.
Yep, just kind of use the bike to your advantage. Okay, and then we're just gonna start the front. And you just get this stuff. And again, you know, it's a bike. It's not critical to be perfect, but we just want to try to get as much of the water off as possible. So we just go through. Get some of this up front there. These little parts are annoying, but let's kind of go through it. Just kinda that part last. Again, you know, we're not looking for perfection here. It's kind of come off. Okay. We just want to get as much as we can off. And just kind of get down here a little bit. And it really can't hurt anything. Alright, so for the most part, you're done. Now, what I do at this point.
Well, you said there's the gold loop. Okay, all right.
Now, so like what I do specifically is I'll take a rag,
Uh-huh.
right? This is what I was telling you earlier. You're like, put it in your hand.
Okay.
We're just going to grab the chain. Just grab
Okay.
the chain. And then we just
So you're drying the chain itself.
getting all the water out of the chain and I mean, look at that, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, nothing. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So I like to do it. I like to go back here. Get the back, like, because it's curved back there, so you kind of get a little
okay.
bit inside of the,
All right.
just right on top of here. Just really, man, this is kind of overkill. See, you get a little more dirt in there.
Yeah.
This is overkill. You
Oh,
don't
that chain looks sparkly.
you don't need to do this, but like if you go on the inside jockey wheel, you get the other side.
Okay.
You kind of give it a little something because the water will come out of the cassette. Okay, and then again,
You got stuff there.
I mean, so
Yeah.
clean. And then, you know, this is all personal preference. You start getting into a little, like I'll take a look at my chain ring and just like that looks beautiful. You just want to make sure that all that's kind of nothing there. I'll take my jockey wheels and just kind of rub my finger against the actual wheel, not the chain. That looks great. Same thing here. Perfect. And I'll try to, sometimes it doesn't work, but I'll try to just like get a little bit of the cassette. And then it's, you know, for the most part, now it's just all about, you know, like I like to try to get this stuff out of here. Just kind of keep things tidy.
Looks like a brand new bike.
And people get really anal. You know, you want to get inside here on these. I actually don't clean my hubs, but a lot of people do. Just want to get in there. Just get that. And if we're here and we're doing it. Yep, that's probably good. Alright. So this back here. Alright, so
All right.
the bike, for the most part, so we'll flip it in a minute because the water kind of falls out of some parts when you flip it.
Uh-huh.
But for the most part, bike's clean, tires are clean again, rims are clean,
Okay.
drivetrain.